Inside, the Model X is intended to nearly look like its Model S cantina kin, with a dashboard ruled by two substantial touchscreen screens. The inside comfort houses a 17 inches picture show, while a moment screen shows up behind the guiding wheel rather than a more traditional simple dashboard. Together, they enable the driver to modify the greater part of the auto's settings, including the sat-nav and self-governing modes. This implies there are few catches around and the lodge in general feels moderate and uncluttered. In any case, in spite of the fact that the inside is pressed with innovation, the materials utilized inside are not from the best cabinet and the greater part of them can't equal Audi or BMW for quality, says car buyer. The lodge isn't really the most innovatively planned. It includes, and a modest bunch of physical changes are sourced from old Mercedes autos. By and by, the Model X offers a colossal measure of room. The batteries are situated under the lodge floor, so they don't hinder the traveler cell, and purchasers can pick between a 4 or 7-seater, where traveler seats can be collapsed down to open an enormous 2,367-liter boot. Tesla has of late reported changes to the powertrain lineup and dropped the section-level 60 kWh battery pack from the range. The new starter demonstrate is the 75D, which has a 75 kWh battery pack that Tesla says will give 259 miles on the new European driving cycle, despite the fact that you most likely won't draw near to this with certifiable driving. It can complete 0 to 60 miles per hour of every 6 seconds level and has a best speed of 130 miles per hour. Next up is a 90 kWh auto accessible in two unique particulars. The standard 90D has an asserted 303-mile extend and is equipped for 0 to 60 miles per hour in only 4.8 seconds, with a best speed of 155 miles per hour. Then again, you can get the P90D, the execution variation, which has a somewhat bring-down scope of 290 miles. The 155 miles per hour best speed remains, yet 0-60 is sliced to 3.7 seconds. Besting out the range is the freshest form of the Model X, the P100D, the most costly Tesla you can purchase. It accompanies a 100 kWh battery pack, sending it from 0 to 62 miles per hour out of a hypercar equaling 2.9 seconds. Range is cited at 336 miles.